Students, this is our Lection Nummer 13. What is this? In this lesson, you will learn usage of what is this in German. In German, the difference between what is it and what is this is not always reflected in the translation. The phrase was ist das is a common way to ask for both what is it and what is this in German. So, to be more precise, the translations could be what is it, was ist das, what is this, was ist dies. But in practice, was ist das is often used for both questions, and the context usually makes it clear what you are referring to. So it means that we are not using was ist dies. Was ist das is enough for both these questions. Okay? If you say in German what is it, you can say what is das. And if you want to say what is this, so also you can say what is das. Was ist das? So no big problem here. Okay? We can use this sentence was ist das for both these English sentences. Okay? Don't say was ist dies because it is, you can use it in a book or in very formal situation, but for the beginner students, was ist das is enough, sufficient for speaking German. So let's do our lesson. What is this? Was ist das? Das ist ein Bleistift. Was ist das? What is it? Das ist ein Bleistift. This is a pencil. Was ist das? Das ist ein Bleistift. Das ist ein Bleistift. So now look at this picture. Was ist das? What is it? Das ist ein Stift. This is a pen. This is a pen. Das ist ein Stift. Ist das? Das ist ein Gummi. This is a rubber. Okay, this is a rubber. Was ist das? What is it? What is this? Das ist ein Gummi. This is a rubber. Was ist das? What is this? This one. Das ist ein Schiff. This is a ship. Was ist das? What is this? Das ist ein Schiff. This is a ship. Was ist das? Das ist ein Schiff. Das ist ein Schiff. So now Übung exercise, fill in the blanks in the following pages. So now look at this Übung exercise. Was ist das? Fill in the blanks. Frage Nummer 1, question number 1. You should write here, what is this in German? And then look at this picture, this one, and write Antwort. Antwort means answer. This is a pocket, eine Tasche. A pocket, okay? So you should write the remaining places. Frage Nummer 3. You should write here, what is it? In your notebook, okay? Write this sentence in your notebook. And then Antwort, answer. Write the answer as well. This is a pencil. Ein Bleistift. This is a pencil. So fill in the blanks in your notebook. Frage Nummer 3. Question number 3. What is it? Write in German. Antwort. Answer. This is a pen. Ein Stift. Write the remaining places, blanks in your notebook. Frage Nummer 4. What is this? Write this in German in your notebook. And then Antwort, answer this question. This is ein Schiff. You should write in your notebook in German, okay? Fill in the blanks. So vocabulary words, Vokabeln, write these words in your notebook. Der Stift, the pen. Der Stift, pen or the pen. You can say the pen or you can say only pen. Das Schiff. Das Schiff, the ship, or you can say ship. Der Bleistift, the pencil, or you can say pencil. But in German, these are very important. Der, das, and der. So these are the words which we have lesson about this in our first book lesson, the last lesson of our first book. You can watch what are these words. Der, das, der. So you can check there. And the end. Bis bald. See you soon.